We'll guide you through how to create Streamlabs clips. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs desktop on your computer. Once you're in, look for the Settings gear icon, which is usually located at the bottom left corner of the interface. Click on it to open the Settings menu. In the menu, navigate to the Output tab, where you can manage your recording settings. Here, make sure your video quality is set to a level that suits your needs, as this will affect the quality of your clips. Next, switch to the Hotkeys tab. This is where you'll set up the shortcut keys for creating clips. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Save Replay or Save Clip. Assign a hotkey by clicking in the box next to this option and pressing the key combination you want to use. Make sure it's something easy to remember, like Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Now, return to the main Streamlabs screen. Start your stream or recording session as you would normally. Whenever something clip-worthy happens, simply hit your hotkey combination, and Streamlabs will automatically save a clip of the last few seconds or minutes of your stream. The duration of this clip can be adjusted in the Output settings under the Replay Buffer section. By default, this might be set to 30 seconds, but you can change it to capture a longer or shorter moment. Once you've captured your clip, it will be saved in the folder specified in your settings. You can access it anytime for editing or sharing on your social media platforms. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to capture memorable moments from your streams. Remember, having a few test runs before a live session can help ensure everything works smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.